Hey friends, this is Atif here. Well, and welcome to the new update on Filecoin. On a daily time frame chart, Filecoin has 2 days ago broken out this down channel and this descending triangle. And after that, the trend is getting reversed from the downside to the upside. You can see that previously it was forming lower lows and lower highs, and now it is forming higher lows. And now there is a probability that after the formation of another higher low here, it may form another higher high. But before that, we will need to break out this resistance of $6.36 and $8.12 as well. Right now, the price is getting bounced from this long-term support zone. That starts from $5 and goes to $4.60. If we take a look at the smaller time frame, and on a 4-hour time frame chart, you can see that it is in downtrend. After this rally, you can see that it is forming a downtrend, forming lower lows and lower highs. But now it is again getting bounced from this long-term support zone, and therefore, if the price line breaks out the next resistance, then even on the 4-hour time frame chart, this formation of the downtrend that is just begun here, that can be changed from the down to the upwards. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you the very big breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern that is happening here on the 7 days time frame chart. You can see that even on the 7 days time frame chart, the trend is getting changed from the downside to the upside after the breakout from this wedge. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like the trade setup for OG fan token, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup, and then it will take you to the TradingView chart. And on this chart, you can watch when I shared this signal, and you can also watch the complete trade setup as well. Like this was the buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now, let me to take you to the live chart of Filecoin. And first of all, let me to show you the daily time frame chart. And here you can see that for the past several weeks, it has been moving inside this quite long-term down channel. And after the breakout from this channel, it was still moving inside this descending triangle as well. And here we also broke out this descending triangle. And after the breakout from this descending triangle for a few days, the price has been rejected by this long-term resistance zone that starts from $5 and goes to $4.36. And after the breakout from this resistance zone, you can see that the previous resistance zone is now flipped into a support zone. And the price line, after testing this resistance zone as support zone, it is gearing up. If you take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this resistance zone from $4.60, by the way, it starts from $4.60 and goes to $5, has been previously working as a very strong support zone here for several months. Resistance here, support here, and for several months, it has been working as a support here. Now, again, it is retesting this level as support and gearing up. And I'm expecting that soon it can hit the target for the breakout from this channel. That target will be here at the top of the channel. That will be approximately at $11.40. And over there, we have another quite long-term resistance that has been previously working as a very strong resistance here and here as well. And now here on this 7 days time frame chart, you can see that we have already broken out this very big and long-term falling wedge pattern. And the long-term target for the breakout from this wedge is here at the top of the wedge. That is somewhere between $250 to $300. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.